Hi guys, it's very early in the morning and I have just woken up. I don't usually wake up so early. So I think it was 5:40 when I opened my eyes, when I woke up. I usually wake up, well, there is no usually, but yeah, I usually wake up at 6:30 or at 7, depending on the day. At the weekends, I usually wake up later, at 8 maybe. And look at those people walking. What time do you think they woke up? Even earlier than me. I think they woke up at 5. So, is there anybody else who is waking up? Look in the windows and I'm trying to look through them. So, no, I can't really see who is waking up right now, but I assume many people. I hope I will not wake up at 6 or 5 tomorrow. I'd like to wake up at 7 or 7:30 at least. Yeah, because early mornings are not my thing. And yeah, definitely I'm not going to wake up that early tomorrow. What time do you usually wake up? What time would you like to wake up? What's your ideal time? Are you an early bird or a night owl? So, what's your favorite time for working, existing? You can share that all in the comments. And yeah, hope to talk to you soon. Bye bye.